this week's video. In today's video, we're doing a very fun video because we are doing a mix of a few things. We are doing a packing slash vacation summer lookbook video. I did one of these last time I went on vacation in the summer. I will put it here on the screen if you guys don't have seen that yet. So it's gonna be something kind of like that. And I'm super duper excited because you guys know I love clothes, I love outfits, I love playing dress up. So I'm super duper excited to do this video for you guys. If you have the Loveshackfancy, girly, preppy, pink aesthetic, you are in the right place. This year I'm going back to Mexico, but I'm going to Cancun. We had this trip planned for a while and I have been saving outfits and clothes for it, and I cannot wait to wear them all and style them all. Also, this is going to be posted after my trip. I'm going to be including some clips of me wearing the outfits during the trip. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Tali and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias here on the screen, down in the description below. And without further ado, let's get into this summer lookbook. So I'm not leaving for a couple of days, so I'm packing pretty early, but it is a lot of more stuff because I am staying there a little bit longer than most trips. But the first thing I'm going to start doing is just gathering all the stuff I know I'm going to bring and I know I want to wear. So first I'm starting off with some loungewear and like comfy clothes that I'm going to be bringing for sure. I'm going to be wearing on the plane. If you guys know, you know. I got this for my birthday. This is an Aviator Nation matching pink set. I was so happy to get this. I asked for it for my birthday so I could wear it on the trip, so super duper excited about that. And then I think I'm just gonna pair it with this black tank. I'm also gonna bring these two pullovers. I got these for last time and they're just so comfy and cute. This one just says West Coast on it, and this one has like just a little cross on it. I don't know, I just love the color of this one and it's so warm. Then I'm gonna bring my Loveshackfancy X Roller Rabbit crew neck. This is from the first drop. I have a whole video about this drop. If you guys want to see it, I will put it here on the screen. And speaking of roller rabbits, I've got my pajamas picked out, new pool party ones, which again, if you know, you know, if you saw that video. And then I have these ones. These are just the roller rabbit Sunny Clover Lane ones with the palm trees. And then I'm also bringing these ones, which are also from the birthday haul, the new Loveshackfancy Roller Rabbit drop. So I actually think I have pretty much everything I need for the trip, like clothing wise. I just have to get all the undergarments and stuff, and then I have to get all of the travel stuff. But I will hop back in this vlog soon and I will catch you guys up. All right, hi guys. Today is the day I'm leaving for vacation, the day I'm leaving for Mexico. I'm super duper excited. We actually leave in like 30 minutes, so let me show you guys my airport fit, since that is the first fit of a vacation, of course. All right guys, here is my airport outfit. Let's get into it. My earrings are from Stella & Dot. My necklace is Loveshackfancy X Kendra Scott. My jacket and my pants are Aviator Nation. I just got this set for my birthday. It is so cute. This is exactly why I asked for it. My tank is just a tank. It's from a Goldie, and then I'm just wearing socks and my Birks. This is a super cute and perfect vacation outfit in case you get cold. You have a jacket, your legs are warm, easy shoes to slide on and off, you know, for security. And yeah, and also you look super cute in it. And also you won't get lost because this is so bright and everyone will be able to spot you at the airport. And before I leave, let me show you guys the packing situation. Alright guys, here's an update on the packing situation. I have to like have some of my stuff in other suitcases because this one is just sadly not big enough, but here it is. I have stuffed this baby to the rim. And this is also the bag I'm taking. It's just a little bag. This is actually new. This I got for Easter. It's Day X Loveshackfancy. I wanted to bring this bag because it has a spot to go on your suitcase, so I thought that was super easy, and I didn't really need a huge bag. Alright guys, I have all of my stuff packed up and it's time to head over to the airport. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey y'all, it's Tali and I'm finally in Mexico. I'm in my room right now and I'm getting ready to go to the pool. Here is my little pool outfit of the day because yes, the pools need outfits as well. Yesterday was a little wild. We were supposed to do like dinner, like I was gonna dress up and do like a nice dinner outfit. However, it was raining, our bus was late to pick us up, so we didn't get to the hotel until like pretty late and we were just kind of like hungry at that point. But anyways, let me show you guys my outfit right now. I'm not really wearing any jewelry or anything just because we're going to the pool, but this is a little top from Forever 21. It says Venice Beach on it. And then these are just some shorts from Abercrombie. They're super cute. They have like lace on it. I think these are like older Abercrombie. I actually thrifted these. And then I'm just wearing a pink swimsuit underneath. So we're doing pool day right now, and then later I'm gonna go get my hair braided, so that's gonna be exciting, and you guys are gonna see my hair differently. All right, guys, hello. First, I came back from the pool, showered, and got my hair done. I got these French braids. I love these so much, and it just keeps my hair nice and compact. Second, now I'm ready for dinner. And I actually got to dress up tonight, so yay. Let's get into my dinner outfit. My earrings are from Adina's Jewels. My necklace is from Etsy from Blissful Bracelets Co. My stack is actually on this hand. I have bracelets from Amazon. Seashell, I'm not sure, were from Hermes, and then Shabby for me. And then here is my dress. My dress is Hill House. It is the iconic nap dress in the pink and white seersucker, which is just so cute. I love pink and white, especially in the summertime. And then my shoes are from Soda. And that is my dinner outfit of the night. Hey guys, good morning. It is the next day here. Also, I'm so sorry about the toilet. It's like so loud. Today is another pool day. Most days are just pool days here. I wanted to show you guys my swimsuit though. This is the Loveshackfancy Tibby one piece. I got this for Christmas. And yeah, right now we're gonna go just have another pool day, have breakfast, lounge by the pool, and then eat lunch, and then go to dinner later. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm back from my pool day and ready for dinner. I actually fell asleep when I came back, so I'm a little behind, but I got ready and I had 30 minutes thankfully to get ready, so let's do this outfit check for today. My earrings are from Adina's Jewels. My necklace, I'm not sure where this is from. My mom actually gave it to me like a while ago. It's just super cute. It's just a little gold seashell. My dress is Loveshackfancy. This is the Live dress, so cute with the little tassels. And then my bag is Old Stony Clover Lane, and then my shoes are Soda. So yeah, I am a little behind, but still had to get ready for dinner, of course, and you know, still had to dress up, but I am a little tired. Although I took a little nap, I feel a little bit better, but I could have slept more. Hey y'all, it's Tali, and I'm hopping back in the vlog to show you guys my dinner outfit for tonight. I did not film this morning because your girl, did not feel good. I felt very sick, very lightheaded, very nauseous, just not the best. So I actually didn't really do much today. I just kind of sat by the pool, you know, and then came back to the room every once in a while. So I did not feel the best, but I'm feeling way better now. Now we're going to head over to dinner, but before that we're gonna go take some pictures in this super cute dress. I've been wanting to wear this one and I've been waiting to wear it on vacation. And let me tell you guys the details about my outfit. My earrings are from Adina's Jewels. My necklace is from Altered State. My dress is Loveshackfancy. This is the Gwen dress in yellow. She is so cute and gorgeous and beachy. My bracelet stack for today, Sweetheart. This bracelet I actually got last time I was in Mexico, and then 2 bracelets from Amazon, and then my fave ASOS gold heels. And yeah, I will see you guys later. All right, hi guys, it is the next day here in Mexico. Today it is actually raining, so we're not doing a pool day today. Today we're just hanging out in the room, and then we're also gonna go bowling, which is where I'm going to. And now, this is all I have for bowling. And then later tonight we're gonna go on a boat and do like a boat dinner. But anyways, let's get into my outfit for right now. My earrings, Adina's Jewels. My necklace is Loveshackfancy x Kendra Scott. I have a full collection video unboxing for this if you guys want to check that out on my channel. My shirt is actually Loveshackfancy x Hurley. Super cute. It's one of their little baby tees. And then these shorts are from Princess Polly. They're just pink and white stripes. And then my Birks and my Stoney Clover bag. But yeah, I'm gonna go bowl now. Alright guys, we are done bowling and now I'm ready for the boat and dinner. My dress literally broke. Like it literally was hanging on a thread. I had to sew it real quick, so now I had to kind of rush to get ready. But let me show you guys my outfit for dinner tonight. My hoops are from Adina's Jewels. My necklace is from Soul Bracelets Co. My stack, the first bracelet is from Mexico. The beaded ones are from Amazon. And the shells I got from the Loveshackfancy sample sale. This one's new to me. I got it last winter from Loveshackfancy. It is the Olani dress. It is so cute and perfect for summer, and it has the little beads here. Bag is Stoney Clover, and I have to wear my Birks because we're going on the boat. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Hey y'all, it's Tali. It is the next day in the fashion vlog. So today is actually our last day here. Today is our last dinner of the night and everything, and we leave tomorrow. So yesterday I had a late night. We got back super late from the boat tour. It was like 3+ hours long. So I just got home, took a rinse, and then I got into bed. We have one more dinner, so I got one more outfit to show you guys tonight. Right now I've just been packing. There's my situation, and then I'm just wearing my Loveshackfancy X Roller Rabbit crew neck. I'm just wearing my Kendra Scott necklace right now. We actually went to just go grab lunch real quick. I want to show you guys. I got this little profiterole, so yummy. And then I also got this drink. I call this like their Starbucks. It's just like a mocha frappuccino, but it's really good. So right now I'm just gonna hang around in the room and then get ready for dinner. All right guys, I relaxed for a little bit and now I'm dressed and ready for dinner. I have not worn this dress yet. I actually got it this last year and I was gonna bring it on vacation, but I sadly did not. But now it's finally making an appearance. This dress is actually Forever 21, but it looks like Loveshackfancy. It's so cute and preppy. And then my earrings, of course, Adina's Jewels. I literally only wore this pair of earrings on the trip, I think. Necklace is Loveshackfancy X Kendra Scott. Here is my bracelet stack of the day. And then my shoes again are the gold ASOS heels. And yeah, I'm ready for dinner, ready for our last dinner here. A little bit sad though, but it's gonna be good. It's 5 in the morning. Hey guys, I am back home. I am back in the babe cave and my stuff is there. You guys know, if you watch some of my past travel videos, that I am procrastinating doing that because I hate unpacking. But I'm back home now and I'm getting ready to wrap up this vlog. But I want to add a little something. I have a little Tali haul to put in here because I did do some shopping while I was on vacation. It's just a few things, so let me show you guys real quick. Also, there is like no rhyme or reason to any of this stuff. It's just stuff like I wanted / needed, and yeah. Let's get into this Tali haul. The first thing I have is this polo Ralph Lauren sweater. It's just a brown cable knit sweater. I thought this would be perfect for the fall time and just to wear with like a ruffle mini or with jeans and sneakers, like my Yeezys and stuff. I've been really wanting just like a plain like just sweater that can go with everything, and I think this will be the perfect one. It is so cute and it's got the little horsey on the front. Next, I got a new phone case. I love my phone case. This is the Loveshackfancy X Emma phone case, but I've had it for a while now and there's two things that bother me about it. First is that the print is like super faded, as you can tell. I mean, I've used it for like at least a couple months now. And then it got like this, like, I guess maybe it fell on the floor. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's got like, I don't know, it's got this like weird texture here on the bottom. I think like I said, it fell on the floor or something and it's scraped and it's just like not enjoyable. Like when I can't not feel it now that I noticed it like on my hands. So I decided to get a new one and I got a wildflower phone case. I got the one with the bows and the ballet slippers. And now for the last thing, which I'm saving the best thing for last. So I have been really wanting this Loveshackfancy dress. Whenever I saw it come out, which was actually, it's from a couple seasons ago, but I've always really wanted it and I've always really liked it. I saw someone reselling it, and I was too late to make an offer, and you know, someone else ended up buying it, and I really wanted to get it for this trip actually. But then the day I left, I saw that it got reposted and it was the exact same person, and so I was able to buy it, and I was like super duper happy because I was like, wow, it was like it came back, you know, like on the market and stuff and everything. But it is the Loveshackfancy Pinto dress. Oh my goodness. So this came out a bit ago. I literally have a photo of this dress at the store because I wanted to have it like, you know, for memory, just like show my mom and be like, hey. But this is the Loveshackfancy Pinto dress. It is full of all these gorgeous beads here. Here's like a moon. Here's detailing around the neck. It's got the pearl detailing on the straps. It is just so pretty. She is gorgeous. She's got stars on it. I love stars. She is beautiful. So sadly, I could not wear it for my trip, but I will wear it at some point. I have some other trips coming up, so maybe I could wear it then. But I'm just so happy to have this dress, and she is just so gorgeous and beautiful, and I'm so glad I was able to get it when it got back on the market. Alright guys, that brings me to the end of this vacation summer lookbook little mini vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions or need any links, make sure to leave me a comment down below, and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as possible. I hope this helped inspired some summer looks and some summer ideas, you know, and just like if you have like that preppy, very Loveshackfancy, very preppy, bright, colorful, kind of that vibe. I hope it inspired kind of some looks for this summer, and I hope you guys, you know, got some inspiration from it and enjoyed watching it. Again, my name is Tali, and thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social media, here on the screen, down in the description below. And I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic, amazing, gorgeous, fabulous day.